Winter is a company that for many years has produced portable ice makers, ice cream makers, deep freezers and portable air conditioners. If you're living in a place without windows and without the possibility to install a more conventional air conditioner, Winter offers you a great product that you can easily set up anywhere you like, the Winter Arc 14S. Winter's dual hose Arc 14S is rated at 14,000 BTU. This translates to a unit that can comfortably cool a room up to 500 square feet. This air conditioner uses the eco-friendly CFC-free R410A refrigerant, meaning that it'll win over the hearts of the eco-conscious people as well. This means that this unit will keep your room safe from dangerous chemicals. The dual hose technology, explained simply, is the ability of the unit to use an exhaust hose to remove the warm air that's created in the process of producing cool air. Also, the dual hose technology offers the fastest cooling, which means your rooms will cool in a couple of minutes. The patented advanced auto-drain technology of Winter's units recycles the moisture that's collected through the cooling process, meaning that you won't need to empty it regularly. Winter's Arc 14S features air conditioning mode, fan mode and the dehumidifier mode. This means that the unit is pretty versatile, providing you with a lot of options for your needs. With an energy efficiency rating of 11.2, it's relatively efficient with power consumption, keeping your electricity bills in check. It also has an expandable hose of up to 60 inches, which makes a big difference in portable air conditioners. While not being the quietest option, which sometimes may bother you, if you weigh in the pros and cons, you'll see the pros are way bigger. Assuming that a portable air conditioner will cover your needs, of course, you need a portable air conditioner that's mighty powerful, capable of giving you instant cooling at the expense of some silence. This one might just be the perfect air conditioning unit. This unit would be mostly suited for office spaces or living rooms, making it perhaps not such a good option for bedrooms based on noise levels.
Frigidaire FHPC 102AB1 portable air conditioner with remote control for rooms, white. Dimensions: 16 and 7/10 watts x 13 and 7/8 dx 27 and 9/10 H. Power cord length: 72. Stay comfortable even when it's hot outside with 2,930.71 watts cooling power. With a cooling capacity of 400 sq.ft, maintain a comfortable environment. With 3 fan speeds, adjust the airflow to suit your needs. Included remote controlled for easy changes from across the room. No professional help needed for air conditioner installation, just plug it in and turn it on to beat the heat. Wattage: 2,930.71 watts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.